Have you ever seen something in nature that made you question reality? I remember the first time I saw a photograph of blood falls in Antarctica. It looked like an open wound in the ice, a vivid crimson waterfall pouring out of a stark white glacier. I honestly thought it was digitally altered. I spent 10 minutes zooming in, looking for evidence of photo editing. But it wasn't fake, it was completely real. That moment shifted my entire perspective on the natural world. Nature isn't just beautiful, it is deeply, profoundly strange. There are places on Earth that seem to defy our understanding of physics, chemistry, and biology. Today, we are exploring 5 of these seemingly impossible natural phenomena that challenge how we view our planet. Let's dive in. Secret number 1: blood falls. The bleeding glacier. Let's begin with the phenomenon that started it all for me: blood falls. Located in the McMurdo Dry Valleys of East Antarctica, this 5-story waterfall pours out from the snout of the Taylor Glacier into Lake Bonny. The water is a deep, dramatic red, making it look as though the glacier itself is bleeding into the snow. First discovered in 1911 by Australian geologist Griffith Taylor during Robert Falcon Scott's Terra Nova expedition, early explorers assumed the red coloration was caused by microscopic red algae. However, a century later, modern geochemistry uncovered the true mechanism. The secret lies beneath the ice. The glacier sits atop an ancient subglacial lake formed over 2 million years ago, completely sealed off from sunlight, heat, and atmospheric oxygen. This trapped water is hypersaline, roughly 3 times saltier than seawater, which prevents it from freezing even at sub-zero temperatures. It is also exceptionally rich in dissolved iron. When this iron-rich brine trickles through fissures in the glacier and meets atmospheric oxygen at the surface, the iron oxidizes instantly. In simple terms, it rusts, giving the cascading water its deep crimson color. Yet the most extraordinary aspect of blood falls is biological. Within this hypersaline, pitch-black, oxygen-deprived reservoir, an ancient microbial ecosystem thrives. Deprived of photosynthesis, these extremophilic microbes survive through a unique metabolic process, utilizing iron and sulfate ions to harvest energy. Blood falls serves as a terrestrial analog for potential extreme environments elsewhere in the solar system, such as subsurface oceans on Jupiter's moon Europa or Mars's polar ice caps. Secret number 2: the boiling river of the Amazon. Now, let's travel from the freezing dry valleys of Antarctica to the lush depths of the Peruvian Amazon. Deep in the Mantico Sanctuary lies Shanaidenpishka, a river whose indigenous name translates to boiled by the heat of the sun. Stretching nearly 4 miles long, up to 80 feet wide, and reaching depths of 20 feet, the river reaches temperatures exceeding 200 degrees Fahrenheit. The water is hot enough to inflict severe burns within seconds and kill any small creature that falls in. While geothermal rivers are relatively common near active volcanoes, Shanaidenpishka is completely unique because there are no active volcanic systems anywhere nearby. The nearest volcanic center is over 400 miles away. So how does a massive river boil in the middle of a lowland rainforest? The secret is a non-volcanic geothermal system fed by deep fault lines. Rainwater falls high in the Andes Mountains and travels deep into the Earth's crust through porous sedimentary layers. As the water descends miles beneath the surface, it is heated by the Earth's natural geothermal gradient, the heat radiating from the Earth's mantle. Under intense heat and pressure, the superheated water is forced back up through regional fault systems, gushing out into the Amazon basin to feed the boiling river. Studying Shanaidenpishka provides geologists with vital insights into subsurface fluid dynamics and geothermal energy potential outside active volcanic zones. Secret number 3: the crystal caves of Mexico. Next, we head deep underground below the Sierra de Nica mountain range in Chihuahua, Mexico. 300 meters beneath the surface lies the Cave of Crystals, home to some of the largest natural mineral formations ever discovered. Massive columns of translucent selenite, a crystalline form of gypsum, spanned across the cavern floor, with individual crystals measuring over 37 feet long, 4 feet in diameter, and weighing upwards of 55 tons. The visual landscape resembles a fantasy film, but the environmental conditions are incredibly harsh. Temperatures inside the cave hover around 136 degrees Fahrenheit, with relative humidity reaching near 100%. Without specialized protective suits equipped with ice-chilled rebreathers, a human can only survive inside the cave for a few minutes before succumbing to heat stroke. The secret to their massive size lies in an extraordinarily stable mineral environment. Millions of years ago, volcanic magma chambers below Nika forced mineral-rich water into the subterranean cavern. The water was saturated with calcium sulfate. Around 600,000 years ago, as the magma cooled slightly, the water temperature stabilized precisely around 136 degrees Fahrenheit. At this constant temperature, anhydrite dissolved into gypsum, allowing selenite crystals to grow continuously, molecule by molecule, submerged in total darkness for hundreds of thousands of years. Secret number 4. Singing sand dunes. Leaving the underground caverns for the open desert, we encounter one of the most acoustic mysteries in nature: singing sand dunes. Found in roughly 35 desert locations globally, including the Sahara, the Gobi, and California's Mojave Desert, these massive dunes produce a loud, continuous booming or humming sound that can reverberate for miles. The sound, which can reach up to 105 decibels, resembles a low-frequency foghorn or an electric cello. For centuries, Marco Polo and travelers across the Silk Road attributed these eerie noises to desert spirits. The secret behind this acoustic phenomenon is grain dispersion friction during sand avalanches. When wind causes a slide of dry sand down the slip face of a dune, thousands of uniform sand grains cascade over each other simultaneously. To produce sound, the sand grains must meet precise physical criteria. They must be well-rounded, dry, and between 0.1 and 0.3 millimeters in diameter. As the top layer slides over the layer beneath, the uniform gaps between moving grains act like miniature acoustic resonators. The collisions synchronize, creating sound waves that reinforce each other and produce a single, continuous frequency. Changing the grain size or moisture content alters the acoustic pitch, meaning every singing dune possesses its own unique musical frequency. Secret number 5. Volcanic lightning. Finally, we turn to one of the most violent electrical phenomena on Earth: volcanic lightning, often referred to as a dirty thunderstorm. When explosive volcanoes erupt, the towering ash plume above the crater frequently crackles with intense bolts of lightning. Unlike standard weather thunderstorms, which form from the collision of ice crystals and water droplets in clouds, volcanic lightning generates directly within the eruptive column. The secret lies in triboelectric charging and fragmentation. During an explosive volcanic eruption, magma is pulverized into billions of microscopic ash particles, rock fragments, and volcanic glass ejected at supersonic speeds. As these particles collide violently within the dense eruption column, they continuously scrape against one another, transferring electrons in a process known as friction-induced charging. Simultaneously, as hot magma fractures, it releases positively charged ions. The dense ash cloud rapidly separates into distinct electrical zones, creating massive potential differences between different parts of the plume. When the voltage gradient exceeds the electrical breakdown threshold of air, massive lightning discharges jump across the ash cloud. Meteorologists now use volcanic lightning sensors to monitor volcanic ash hazards in real time, helping protect aviation routes during major eruptions. These 5 incredible phenomena — blood falls, the boiling river, the crystal caves, singing sand dunes, and volcanic lightning — remind us that Earth is an active, dynamic laboratory. They challenge our assumptions and show that reality is often far stranger than fiction. If you enjoyed this journey into the impossible wonders of our world, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an exploration. Special thanks to our supporters: Sarah J., Mike R., Emma W., Carlos M., and Alex K. Your generous support keeps these deep dive scientific investigations alive every week. Thank you so much for watching, stay curious, and I will see you in the next video.